Hey everyone, Mr. Spockton here, and today we're back with some more Skullgirls. Now before the video even starts, yeah, you guys might be hearing a few noises behind me, but please don't mind it because, yeah, there's some stuff happening at my place, but for now, let's just head straight into the video. Now, again, this is going to be a tad bit different, but I'll explain during the fight, so let's go. Alright, so basically, in the last few episodes, or 2 episodes, I've seen that I've been using the same characters in every prize fighters. So what I'm going to do today is actually use some of my silvers and bronze fighters and see just how they are. I've not entirely practiced with them so far, but hopefully we can do some pretty good stuff. So for now, let's see what characters I can try to get. Like, yes, I've been using a lot of Big Ben, Pinwheel, and Beowulf. I really like Beowulf, but still, I gotta stop using them because there's a lot of different characters. Like Valentine, which I recently found out was actually a pretty cool character. Now, I'm not really the biggest Peacock fan, but I'm gonna be using her because, yeah, my friend uses her. And I think I'm gonna use Umbrella later on, but for now I kinda want to use Double or Nonsense, I guess. But I think this one is a Sunday school. Oh, there we go. There it is, so Double. Yeah, I don't know how to use her at all. I haven't been using Double at all. When I first started playing the game, I did use her, but I was not sure how she really worked, and I wasn't really the best at the game, so yeah, hopefully we don't die.
Side effects may include nausea, headaches, and death.
Showtime!
Time to apply pressure! One. Making the time to apply pressure! On the roof! Don't make me laugh. You're right.
Same old song. Supersonic!
Damn. Making me
Did I do? Speak low.
Don't make me laugh.
On the trolley.
One win. Peanuts. Pathetic ASG.
Okay, maybe I got a bit carried away because I didn't use any of her people except Valentine. But hey, she's cool. Yeah, this time I'm not using Valentine. I'm gonna get fucking carried away. But yeah, let's see what we got. Okay, alright. Alright, so I think I'm gonna try using Big Ben in this one because obviously I cannot just not play Big Ben. I mean, I just got a new one in silver as well, so I might as well. So I think I'm gonna go with the Resonate Evil and the Peacock, the Pea Shooter, I think. But who else? Actually, Umbrella could be a good one. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna use Umbrella as well. And let's just go back and take the Peacocks, Pea Shooter. There we go. There it is. Right. Alright, now, so I'm not sure how to use Umbrella at all. So I'm gonna try to use her as I usually do the other characters. But yeah, hopefully we don't die. And I'm gonna save this game because seriously, I don't want to lose.
One truth prevails. Showtime!
Round here. It's nothing. Round here.
Give me a hand.
Round heels.
Let's go. Hang back, little bird. Same old song. Give me a hit. Saxon people. Super Give me a hit.
Watch the
Airman. Umbrella.
I realize I'm
Demo's over.
I'm the real deal, except no substitutes.
Yeah, I know what I did. I finished the last peacock with the down move. But hey, fuck it. Alright, first of all, I fucking hate this map because it has some creepy ass music while you're fighting. And yeah, this team is actually a bit tough, so I might have to use one of my golds. And you know what, I'm gonna use Quigley and the Red Velvet Elva accompanied by... You know what, I think I'm gonna put Robo Fortune and Elva just to be sure that I do win this because it is a time 2 or time 2.5 I think. So yeah, let's put Robo Fortune and yeah, let's go a full gold team. And I don't think I'm gonna lose this one. Hopefully I don't again because yeah, it's a times 2 or times 2.5 one. So yeah, I don't want to lose.
You're not stopping us.
Showtime!
Just you wait.
Pathetic.
You should lie down. I'm okay.
We will
No way!
Overwhelming victory!
How do I look?
An overwhelming victory for sure because yeah, I destroyed this team. Mostly Elva to be honest. But hey, a win's a win and we take it. Now let's move on to the relic opening part of the video, and yeah, we got 2 silver crates to open and one of them was actually pretty good. The first one I got was actually Peacock Inkling, which is, yeah, just a black peacock. It's a, I'm not gonna say the word, but yeah, you guys should know what I mean. But continuing, we got another really good character actually. We got Beowulf. Yup. And I think it's Wrestler X, which is actually a pretty cool one. Cool, because now I don't have to use a silver, not a silver, but a bronze Beowulf all the time. Now thanks to these 2 silver relics, I was able to get a gold fighter relic. I was so excited because I could have got a golden big band. But no, I got something else. But yeah, it was more disappointing than... I wished I had anyone else except her. Literally, why you guys may ask, because it is fucking Parasol. I already have her. I got her when I first entered the game again. So yeah, now I can only sacrifice it or use it. But yeah, fortunately I have actually one more relic, which is a jackpot relic. So yeah, this one also I was very excited as well. Obviously because you're guaranteed a diamond, a gold, or a silver. And obviously, I got a gold, which is very cool. But then I realized it was a shiny. So yeah, what the fuck is a shiny? I still don't understand, but it's a cerebella again and it's a shiny. I don't know why I'm so like, I'm like a fucking magnet to cerebellas because yeah, I only get good cerebellas. I got 2 diamond cerebellas and a gold one which is shiny. Not sure what shiny does just yet. But then slowly but surely I realized that yeah, it looks pretty good. It's a shiny. It has like this shiny sparkle thing. Yeah, I mean yeah, it is a gold anyway, so even if it wasn't very special, it would still be pretty cool. And yeah, I thought that there was like maybe a prestige ability with her, but no, I was wrong. But then I realized that there was actually an icon on top of her which actually tells you what it does. But my dumbass self didn't actually see that, and when I came to see her again, then I realized there was an icon because I was trying to like her. Then I realized how extremely rare a shiny fighter is and why it is actually rare. Because yeah, it has half XP, I mean not half XP, but it gains twice the amount of XP and needs half of it to actually level up. So that's very cool. And yeah, it's just very rare in general, so that's very cool. And yeah, that's literally all I really got, but still, it's quite amazing I got a shiny. And I also got my silver Beowulf, which is a Wrestler X. I really like it. And yeah, I'm going to be using it in other videos as well, because of course it's a new character. Why, not really new, but new tire I would say. Yes, a new tire character. So yeah, of course I'm going to be using it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode today. It was a pretty good one, I would say. I used new characters, saw how they worked, and yeah, I got a new shiny character, so yeah, that's pretty cool as well. But yeah, I'm gonna have to wrap it all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.